Let's take a look at this problem. Got 8x squared plus 19x minus 15. Now, first thing we'll look for is a GCF, and these don't have anything in common. So then we go to grouping. That's 4 more terms. That doesn't fit. PST is close, except for it has a number in front of the x squared. This is actually key number. Key number is when you have x squared, x, no x, and there's a number in front of your x squared. Well, we're going to take the number at the beginning times the number at the end, ignoring signs. So we'll take 8 times 15. And that gives us 120. We'll come up with our 3 columns, P, S, and D. We'll write down all products to give us 120. That's what the P is for, products. So we got 1 times 120, 2 times 60, 3 times 40, 4 times 30, 5 times 24, 6 times 20, 7, I don't think so, 8 times 15, 9, no, 10 times 12. I think that's it. So let's go to the S column. S for sum. So we'll add these together. 1 plus 120 is 121. 2 plus 60 is 62. 3 plus 40 is 43. 4 plus 30 is 34. 5 plus 24 is 29. 6 plus 20 is 26. 8 plus 15 is 23. 10 plus 12 is 22. Difference column, D for difference. We'll subtract smaller from larger. 120 minus 1 is 119. 60 minus 2 is 58. 40 minus 3 is 37. 30 minus 4 is 26. 24 minus 5 is 19. 20 minus 6 is 14. 15 minus 8 is 7. 12 minus 10 is 2. Now, the number we're looking for is a number in our middle term, which is 19, which is right here. So we're going to use 5 and 24. Now we're going to rewrite our middle term using those 2 numbers. We're using 5 and 24. Our larger number in the P column that we're using, which is the 24, will always be the same sign as the middle term, which in this problem was positive. So we got plus 24x. Number I circled in the difference column, D for different signs, means one will be positive, one will be negative. 24 is positive, so the 5 has to be negative. Then we want to use grouping. Group first 2 terms together, group last 2 terms together. Now the first 2 have an 8x in common, and that gives us x plus 3. Our last group, both divisible by 5, and the first term is negative, so I factor out a negative 5. And that's going to give us x plus 3. Our goal was to get the x plus 3 is the same, or whatever was inside those parentheses. So we're going to take that x plus 3, put it out in front. Now, to decide what goes in your second set of parentheses, you can now cross out these x plus 3's. And what isn't crossed out is what goes over here, which would be 8x minus 5. And that's our answer.